Pakistan is a global pariah. It has not been announced officially, but the actions of international community and various countries of late have suggested their growing disregard for this terror-breeding territory. While everybody was aware of its reputation in South Asia, the global community rebuff has now put a stamp on its isolation. Ever since India extended all rights and privileges to people in Kashmir by abrogating decades-old articles, a desperate and delusional Pakistan reached out to everybody it could forge an alliance against India, but nobody came in support. Rattled by such developments, it attempted to bring a resolution against India in the United Nations, but failed to gather even minimum support to move the proposal. POK activists who were present during the UNHRC session said that Pakistan has lost all support because people are now aware of the truth. They said no Kashmiri ever in his life wanted to be a part of Pakistan, and what people see on social media and news was just a part of propagandist exercise hatched and controlled in Islamabad.
श्रीनगर में दिखाते हैं पाकिस्तान में टेलीविज़न के ऊपर कि श्रीनगर में जुलूस निकल रहा है। 2000 आदमी का जुलूस होगा। उस 2000 आदमी के जुलूस में 2 पाकिस्तान के झंडे हैं। वो कहाँ से आए झंडे पाकिस्तान? हमें पता है ना कहाँ से आए, वो भेजे जाते हैं ना झंडे। जिस बैग सूटकेस में हैंड ग्रेनेड, क्लैशनकोफ और एम्यूनिशन जाता है, वो पाकिस्तान के झंडे में लपेट के भेजा जाता है ना। तो उधर से वो ग्रेनेड चलता है और जुलूस में जो उनका झंडा चलता है।
Today's situation of POK is that radicals have multiplied in number owing to a constant man and material support provided to them by Islamabad. The indigenous people are systematically targeted. Rights for them exist on paper, but they cannot even turn their heads without permission. Their dissent and dissatisfaction is muzzled with highest degree of force. When in POK, Prime Minister and his cabinet speak volumes about standing for the rights of Kashmiris, but their tone and tenor change when they speak in their own parliament. Kashmiri activists, however, say that they were always aware of this duplicitous character of Pakistan. It always wanted to exploit their land and suppress the locals.
इसने वहाँ असम्बली में, पार्लियामेंट में शाह महमूद कुरैशी ने खुद नारे लगाए, कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान। ये नारा लगाते ही उसने अपने ही कॉज को डिफीट कर दिया। यानी आप यूएन रेजोल्यूशन जो है उसके मुताबिक आप एक तरफ कहते हैं कश्मीरियों को खुद मुख्तारी होनी चाहिए, आज़ादी होनी चाहिए, और आप खुद ये कह रहे हैं कि हाँ खुद मुख्तारी तो देंगे लेकिन ज़मीन हमारी होगी। ये कौन सी खुद मुख्तारी है? तो ये सब जो है ये एक प्रॉपरली प्लान्ड है। इसके पीछे जो है वो भारत के जो एक इंडस्ट्रियल उभार आ रहा है भारत में, जो 5 ट्रिलियन की इकॉनमी बनाने जा रहे हैं, इंडिया की जो नेशनल बुर्जुआजी है, उसको सैबोटाज करने के लिए चाइना, पाकिस्तान उसका सैटेलाइट स्टेट है इस वक्त। उसकी अमेरिका को छोड़ के अब पाकिस्तान चाइना का इत्तेहादी बन गया
Times, however, are seemingly changing, and they are changing fast. After more than 7 decades of misrule, it seems Pakistan can no more suppress the people of POK, as they have vowed to go to any extent to break the shackles of tyranny and colonialism. Its testimony manifested in a recent political event where hundreds of locals chanted anti-Pakistan slogans and demanded freedom in rally conducted by Pakistani Prime Minister in the illegally occupied town of Muzaffarabad.